Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all will be fine. Today our topic is sentences about daily routine of home. We will do some sentences about daily routine at home. I wake up at 6 o'clock. After that I take a shower. I wake up at 6 o'clock. After that, I take a shower. Why did not you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? I go to school by bus at 7 o'clock. I go to school by bus at 7 o'clock. I wash my hands before lunch. I wash my hands before lunch. After taking lunch, I say my prayer. At 4 p.m., I do my homework. At 4 p.m., I do my homework. I wrap up my work at 6 p.m. So students, that's all your today's lecture, which were about sentences about daily routine of home. Hope you all will be understand as your home task. Learn all these sentences and write on your rough binders. Take very good care of your health. Allah Hafiz.